Hey everyone! Welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something na lahat tayo nakaka-experience. Friendships and how we deal with negative or toxic people in our lives. Kasi let's be real, hindi lahat ng tao na makikilala natin para sa atin. Ako, I used to be the kind of person na sobrang affected kapag may conflict with someone. Like, pag may issue or may narinig ako na hindi maganda tungkol sa akin, grabe na ako mag-overthink. Iniisip ko, bakit nila ginawa yon? May mali ba sa akin? Ano pa kaya sinasabi nila? To the point na naapektuhan na yung peace ko. Pati tulog ko minsan. And before, takot ako mawala ng friends. Kahit alam kong hindi na okay yung situation. Pinipilit ko pa rin to hold on kasi ayoko mawalan ng tao sa buhay ko. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako ganun. Hindi na ako ganun ka-affected because I learned from it. And here's the lesson I want to share. Not everyone who lives your life is a loss. Minsan, it's protection. Minsan, it's redirection. And sometimes, losing people is actually gaining peace. I realized na all that overthinking, it wasn't doing me any good. Hindi ko naman kontrolado kung anong iniisip o sinasabi ng ibang tao. And the more I hold on to it, mas lalo akong nahihirapan. So what I learned to do is simple, pero hindi madali. I pause. I breathe in. Breathe out. And then I let go. Hindi ibig sabihin na okay na agad lahat. Pero I choose not to carry what's not mine. There will always be people na magja-judge sa'yo, magsasalita tungkol sa'yo, gagawa ng kwento na hindi naman totoo. At first, mainis ka talaga, masasaktan ka. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman yun totoo eh. But here's the truth. Hindi natin sila kontrolado. Sila yun eh. What we can control is how we respond. You don't always have to block people. You don't always have to burn bridges. Minsan, distance is enough. Protect your peace. Protect your sanity. And always remember this. Hindi lahat ng tao meant to stay sa buhay mo. Some people, dadaan lang. They will teach you lessons. Pero hindi sila part ng long-term story mo. And if you're going through something like this right now, just breathe. Let it go. Brush it off if you can. And choose to stay positive. Hindi naman ikaw yung mapapasama eh. At the end of the day, you don't lose people. You outgrow them. Just keep being real. Just keep being kind. And let people be. Habang ikaw, you keep moving forward. If this message helped you, kahit konti, feel free to share it. Baka may iba din na kailangan makarinig nito. And yeah, see you on my next vlog. Thank you.